talk about migration. Probably one of the reasons that a lot of organizations are using CTMS systems that they may not like, that they're not as excited about and kind of feel stuck using is migration is difficult. Moving from one CTMS to another CTMS is an enterprise level move. It's something that your whole organization does. Moving one study, from an EDC to another thing is easier. So we hear from our clients and prospects all the time that, yeah, it's great what's being done, but we're kind of stuck here just because migration processes are so difficult. Migration processes are so expensive and timely, and just an overall lack of confidence in data migration. Talk to me about what we're doing to help our clients over that hurdle, because that's going to ultimately be what we feel kind of pushes them over the edge, gives them that confidence to, hey, we love what you're doing, but we also feel confident in what the migration path looks like. So talk to me a little bit about what we're doing.
From our perspective as a technology provider, which I think is unique among CTMS providers, migration is not an afterthought. It's a critical success factor for CTMS. We believe that in order to have a successful CTMS, that is inclusive of the entire experience of how you move from legacy onto ours. And so we bring that to the forefront. We've developed processes and technologies and enablers, including the use of AI, to help our clients move much more seamlessly from current legacy systems onto Medidata, CTMS, and eTMF. We can do that in a way that takes into perspective the change management and business process re-engineering required in order to make sure that users are not just competent in the new system, but that they excel at it. They enjoy using it. They understand using it. And underneath and underpinning the migration strategy are the AI accelerators that we can bring to bear to help with the complex transformation, mapping, and ingestion processes that have to happen. No CTMS migration is ever painless, but we believe that by having this migration offering as part of the CTMS install, it de-risks it and makes it as painless as possible.
Yeah, so it sounds like just in the spirit of proactive versus reactive, kind of going back to how we view the embedding of AI and how AI is going to be used to design, plan, simulate, and run your trial. We're taking the same approach with migrations. We're not hiding from it. We're not treating it as an afterthought. We are proactively almost leading with that in conversations with our customers, just because it's something that we feel very confident in. We love the process that we've built. We love the technology that we have to support in that process, the AI that you mentioned that we have to support in that process. And it allows us to go knowing that that's going to be a huge concern for everyone in the industry, that data migration process. We can lead with it. We can proactively introduce that to our customers. So again, I love that kind of proactive spirit that we have, just like we've done with our kind of AI everywhere and how we've embedded that across the platform.
If we're honest with ourselves as a technology provider, and if we ask most clients, migration is a huge concern for them. We recognize that. And so at Medidata, migration is part of the CTMS solution. It is part of the overall solution to help customers move from their old system, become comfortable with our CTMS, and not just drive adoption, but drive advocacy within our clients for using our CTMS and eTMF.